If you're thinking of launching a Faceless channel in 2025, you're in the right place. After analyzing thousands of viral Faceless videos throughout February 2025, I've pinpointed the top 9 niches that are not only easy to set up, but have huge potential for success. Let's be real. There are countless channel ideas out there that can go viral and make you a lot of money, but many of them are too complex for beginners. They demand extensive research, scripting, filming, editing, the whole package. But the niches I'm about to share are simple to start, even if you've never made a video before. And the best part? You can automate most of the process with AI. Stick around, I'll show you proof. We'll go from the niches with the lowest earning potential to those with the highest. I'll also rate each niche on a scale of 1 to 10, considering ease of creation and revenue potential. Year number 9, book summary channels. In a world where everyone wants to learn but not everyone has the time to read, book summary channels are booming. These channels take the main ideas from popular books, especially nonfiction like self-help or finance, and turn them into digestible, engaging videos. Despite the growing popularity of audiobooks, book summaries on YouTube are thriving because they cater to visual learners. For instance, Escaping Ordinary, with over 1 million subscribers, pulled in 13 million views last year and earned around $28,000. Their RPM, revenue per mila, is about $2.10 to $2. This niche is easy to scale, and with AI tools like ChatGPT and InVideo AI, creating summaries and turning them into videos is a breeze. Now coming to the rating, I am going to give it a 7.5 on 10 for its ease of execution and a 3 on 10 for its revenue-making potential. Number 8. Anime self-help videos. This is a fun twist on the classic self-help genre. By blending motivational self-help content with popular anime clips, creators make their videos more dynamic and captivating. The themes? Things like discipline, confidence, and personal growth, but with a unique anime flair. Incognito's CEO is a great example. In just 15 videos, they gained 200,000 subscribers and earned close to $122,000 with an RPM of around $2.40. When it comes to ease of creation, I'd rate this an 8 out of 10. But for how much it can earn, I'd give it a 3 out of 10. Number 7, ancient philosophy. Here's another creative spin on self-improvement. You can explore timeless wisdom from history's greatest thinkers and show how their ideas can solve modern problems. Take Philosophies for Life, for example. With over 5 million views last year and earnings near $4,800, their RPM sits between $4 to $9. Channels like Stoic Journal, which focuses on Stoic philosophy, made about $65,000 from 9 million views, with an RPM of around $7.20. This niche is beginner-friendly, as the content is easy to research using Google or ChatGPT, and you can quickly turn it into engaging videos using InVideo AI. For the ease of execution, I would give this a solid 9 out of 10. And when it comes to the earning potential, I'd rate it a 6 out of 10 story or moral story channels. This niche revolves around sharing motivational or moral stories, accompanied by simple graphics rather than animations. It's all about inspiring and uplifting. Sparks is a standout example. They gained 127,000 subscribers in just 1 year and earned $27,000 from 3.5 million views with an RPM of $7.20. Regional language channels, especially in Hindi, are also seeing massive success, even with lower RPMs. In terms of video creation, I'd rate this a 9 out of 10. And for revenue potential, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. Number 5, movies and TV shows. The movie and TV niche offers multiple angles. 1. Reviews. Timely reviews of newly released films or series. 2. Funny summaries. Engaging, humorous takes on popular movies, e.g., Alex Myers. 3. In-depth analysis. Deep dives into storylines and characters like Think Story, which earned $225,000 from 31 million views. For how easy this is to execute, I would rate it a 7.5 out of 10. And in terms of earning potential, it also gets a 7.5 out of 10. Pet-specific channels. Pet content is huge. Pet owners love watching videos about animals. The Purring Journal, a channel dedicated to cats, racked up 5 million views last year and earned $36,000. When it comes to ease of creation, I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. And as for making money, it earns an 8 out of 10. Number 3, AI news channels. With AI evolving at lightning speed, people crave the latest updates. Channels like AI Revolution and the AI Grid are leading the charge, making between $138,000 and $218,000 per year. In terms of ease of execution, this one's a 7 out of 10. And for how much it can make, I'd rate it a strong 8.5 out of 10. 2. Study With Me channels. These channels have a loyal, engaged audience. Sean's study earned over $100,000 from 14 million views since launching in 2020. For ease of creation, I would give this a perfect 10 out of 10. And for revenue potential, it's an 8.5 out of 10. Number 1, scary or horror videos. Horror content is incredibly easy to make and highly profitable. Channels like Chilling Scares and Mr. Nightmare rake in over $1.1 million annually with their spine-tingling stories. I would rate this an 8 out of 10 for ease of creation. But when it comes to its earning potential, it deserves a 9 out of 10. Now is the perfect time to kickstart your Faceless YouTube channel. With YouTube becoming more beginner-friendly, I've just laid out everything you need to succeed. Let me know in the comments which niche excites you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to kick off your YouTube journey. Catch you soon with another one. Bye for now.